She's full of courage, not afraid of adventure. Takes her father's place in the army to arm herself and go to battle for family and country. She's exceptionally intelligent, be good at solving the crises by strategy, win the battles so many times through resourcefulness. She's the representative of females' brave and strength. The story about her has been told for thousands years, become a significant symbol of traditional Chinese culture. So who she is? She is the heroine Mulan. In the cartoon movie Mulan of Disney, interpreted the female's power perfectly. Mulan under the different period, no matter what happened, always keep the brave, wisdom, firm and tenacious. Therefore, we hope by the assemble process could display a good story. Let you feel the power of female deeply. This is not barely a story, but also a spread to females brave, firm and strength.